What happens when a 90s icon like the Lamborghini Diablo undergoes a transformation that respects its past but propels it into the future? Picture the Lamborghini Diablo, the epitome of 90s supercar dreams, now re-envisioned through the Eccentrica restomod project. This ambitious endeavor aims to amplify the Diablo's legendary prowess while preserving the soul that made it iconic. With only 19 units in production, this exclusive makeover isn't just rare. It's a testament to meticulous craftsmanship and innovation. This fusion of classic charisma with modern muscle sets the stage for an intriguing exploration. Peel back the layers of the Eccentrica Diablo, and you'll find a masterclass in balance. The heart of the beast, a 5.7-liter V12 engine, now roars with even more vigor, thanks to new valves and cams that escalate its power to 550 PS. But the transformation isn't just about raw power. Inside, the Diablo's cabin redefines luxury, swapping out dated plastics for high-end materials that not only enhance the aesthetic, but also improve the tactile experience. On the road, the experience is equally transformed. Beefed-up brakes and Pirelli Trofeo R tires ensure that this powerhouse doesn't just move faster, but also smoother and safer. Every tweak and twist in the Diablo's design and mechanics aims to elevate its legendary status, not overwrite it. In a world where the new often overshadows the old, how does the Eccentrica Diablo balance heritage with innovation? The charm of the Diablo, with its visceral analog feel, remains untouched even as modern technology weaves through its framework. This delicate dance between past and present stirs a deep emotional connection, rekindling the flames of nostalgia while propelling performance into the future. But what does this mean for car culture? Are we preserving history or reinventing it? Does the Eccentrica Diablo represent a respectful homage or a daring departure? How do we, as enthusiasts, reconcile these two worlds?